viewers, welcome to SJ's social platform, Messages Which Matters. It is observed to spread legal awareness among the people. Since we at SJ's Sanwar are made to imbibe the spirit of nationalism, we feel it our duty to make contribution towards this national objective. Today we will discuss over some legal issues related with the children. I am Aisha, the moderator of this discussion, and the panelists with me are Himanshi, Nancy, Komal, Antima and Jyoti. Himanshi and Nancy have acquired knowledge about the Child Marriage Prohibition Act 2006 and they have studied about child labor. So let's start with Nancy. Sis, what's a child marriage?
The child marriage is a marriage in which bride under 18 and bridegroom under 21.
Who are offenders in a child marriage?
Whoever performs, conducts, attends are offended under this case. It means the pandit who performs child marriage will also go to prison.
Not only the pandit, the bandsmen, the kanyadan givers, the baratis will also go behind the bar if they know that bride and bridegroom are or either of them is not of marriageable age.
What about the bride and the bridegroom? Do they also commit the offense if they are not of marriageable age?
Yes, if the boy is under 21 but above 18, he will get rigorous imprisonment for up to 3 years and fine up to 1 lakh rupees or more. However, if the boy is marriageable age and the girl under marriageable age, the punishment is less. It is simple imprisonment for 3 months.
And what about the girl?
No, the girl commits no crime under this law.
What is punishment for those who participate in this offense?
The punishment for participating in this child marriage is rigorous imprisonment for up to 2 years or fine up to 1 lakh or both. To whom should one complain to prevent the child marriage?
We can file an FIR at the nearest police station or to National Commission for the Protection of Child Rights or to the National Commission for Women Rights.
What is the legal status of child marriage? The child marriage is voidable at the option of contracting parties.
Let's move toward another topic and that is child labor. So Antima says, what is the age limit for child labor?
If the Child Labor Act prohibits the employment of children under 14 in any occupation.
Who are adolescent under this act?
Persons between 14 to 18 are adolescent under this act. The adolescent person can't be employed in hazardous occupation and processes. There are such 18 hazardous occupation and 65 such processes. Except in these, person can be employed for 6 hours in a day, but that must not interfere with their education.
Are there exceptions under 14 years too? Yes, children below 14 years can assist in their family business if work is not hazardous. They can also work in film industry as child artists, but these should not interfere in their education.
What is punishment for taking child labor?
A person found guilty of taking child labor under this act, it shall be imprisonment of 6 months to 1 year, or shall pay fine from 10,000 to 20,000, or both. In the case of repeated offence, imprisonment will be 6 months to 2 years.
Viewers, we have a lot to discuss on this topic, but we are running short of time. So I seek your permission to conclude this discussion at this moment. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.